Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about some common issues that college students generally face, some questions, doubts that I had in my college life, which I felt that it would be great to have them clarified at the start. So, one of the most common questions that some of my juniors have asked me is CGPA important? If yes, then how important is it? So, yes, CGPA is important. In many companies, in the initial stages of shortlisting, they do keep a criteria of a CGPA cutoff. But how much of it is required? Having an 8.5 CGPA is more than enough. You'll be able to sit for 90 to 95% of the companies that come for your college placements. So, for the remaining companies, you will have to maintain a CGPA of 9 plus. But for this, if you are starting off with your college life, it would be great if you have a 9 or 9.5 CGPA in your first year itself, because the subjects that you have to sit for in your first year, they do carry some value and they're easy to score in as well. You'll have simple physics, chemistry, biology subjects. It will be easy to score in them because you're fresh from your class 12th. You've done these subjects, so it will be easy to score in these. If you can score a 9 or 9.5 in your first year itself, you do not have to, it will be a cakewalk. You do not have to think about CGPA for the rest of your at least for 3 to 4 semesters, which will be crucial for your preparation for your placements, right? So that is the strategy that I followed, and that can be useful in my opinion. So, once you have a good CGPA, you can set aside that and you can actually prepare for your placements. So, moving on to placements, if you are targeting product based companies, then DSA is a must. Even for service based companies, they do have their online assessments and coding assessments, which is focused on DSA. Start off with easy questions. Make sure to solve at least one problem a day. But once you get confidence in those topics, make sure to move on to medium and hard topics, because hard questions, because these are the questions that will get asked ultimately in your OAs and coding tests, right? So many of the companies, they also ask core subject MCQ questions from DBMS, from OOPS operating systems. So computer networking is also important. Make sure to cover the important questions, MCQ based questions from these core subjects as well. So this is mostly what gets asked in your online assessments, and but you need to make sure that once you're getting called for your technical interviews, you need to go through the company, what the company works on, what tech stacks are used, what are the previous year questions that they have generally asked. So research about the company, research about your interviewer once you get their information, so that you understand how much experienced your interviewer is, what tech stacks he has used the most. These things will definitely help you in your technical interview perspective. And definitely for your product based companies, they ask DSA questions in your technical interviews as well. So DSA has the main priority for product based companies, right? I would like to highlight one important aspect of your college life is, do not hesitate to take part in hackathons, do not hesitate to apply for internships, because these are things that will be giving you an exposure to, and you will be building qualities that you will require for corporate. If you take part in hackathons, that gives you an idea of how to deliver a complete product within a timeline. And maybe you're not taking care of all the edge cases like you will have to, but it will be giving you exposure to teamwork, team building, leadership qualities, presentation skills, communication skills. These are qualities that every team requires, and you will understand the importance of these qualities once you get into your job roles ultimately, right? And definitely take part in internship programs. Apply for internships because this will be giving you real world exposure. You will be having a corporate exposure before your full time offers, and you will be, if you're lucky enough, you'll get to work in code that goes into production, that gets used by people actually. So make sure to apply for internship programs whenever you get an opportunity, and do not spend your entire 4 years of college life buried inside books. Do not spend all your hours in the library. It's not going to help you. If you are a college topper, it does not mean you're going to bag the best placement. But if you work smart, if you remain consistent in your efforts, and you maintain a decent CGPA, then you will definitely be in a position to bag the best offer. So go ahead, and if you have any issues, any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.